everybody, get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing Mike Wazowski from Monsters, Inc. Okay, so to start with, we are going to draw his eyeball, which is a circle. And then he's got a little white spot in his eyeball. And then he's got his black pupil, like so, and this will be colored green. Okay, then we're gonna draw the white part of his eyeball, like that. And then he's got a little line under his eyeball and above his eyeball. And then he's got kind of a little moon shape up there. And then there is another line above that. Okay. And then that is another moon shape where the value is different. And it will all make sense more when he's colored. All right, now we're gonna draw a line going from kind of about at the top of his eye, and it's gonna kind of run into that moon shape a little bit and then come down. And then he's got his horn right there, and he's got another little horn right here. There we go. And then he's got an elbow coming off of this part here, and then it comes back, and then here's the inside of it, and then it comes back down. So it's like a big old thick letter V. And then here's the one part of his hand with his thumb, and here's the other part of his hand, and you don't see all his fingers. So it's just like that. Perfect. Okay, then we're gonna draw his mouth. Okay, so his mouth is not straight across. It curves down like so. And then we're gonna have a bigger curve at the bottom. And I'm gonna actually put a line right here because I wanted it to come up just a little bit, and there is like a thick line right there. All right. So those of you watching the video, if you like did it more up here, then you would do the second line underneath. All right, and then he's got another line on the bottom of his mouth. And he's got kind of some little dimple things there. Okay, then he's got these monster teeth, which are kind of like soft V's, so they're not super sharp, but they're definitely not rectangular. And then we've got some at the bottom. There we go. And we've got his tongue here, and then this is super dark back here. That's the back in the back of his mouth where it's really dark and scary. All right, and then we could also do kind of his tongue kind of comes around, and then this is dark back here too. There we go, that's gonna look better. All right, now we're gonna do the other hand. So the other arm, so it comes down, it kind of comes out about here. It's gonna just come out, and we're gonna come up, and then we got a palm here. And this hand's a little bit bigger, probably because it's closer, like so, and then we're gonna draw the thumb out. That's an excellent monster hand, I must say. All right, then we're gonna do the bottom. Oh, like so. And actually, I'm gonna take this out just a little ways because I think I got it a little too narrow. So I'm gonna get rid of this, color this away. Should be more out. All right, then comes the legs. Okay, so the legs, coming right out here. They're gonna get a little skinnier toward the knee. We've got the monster kneecap, the monster calf going into the heel, coming around, and there is a little monster claw, which is like a little teardrop shape, and we've got a third claw kind of hiding out back there. And then it's gonna come back over, and then it's gonna come back up, and there is his one leg. My, what nice legs you have, Mike Wazowski. All right, then we're gonna do the same thing over here. We're gonna come down, come around for the knee, come down for the leg, and this one's kind of farther back, so it looks a little different. Come around, teardrop toe, teardrop toe. Oh goodness, I wonder who he has to do his manicures. Woo, pedicures, yes. All right, then we've got this kind of wavy line here, and I think this needs a line here for this toe, and we need a line here for this toe. Okay, and there you have Mike Wazowski saying, hey y'all. All right, and so we're gonna color this and it's gonna look amazing. All right, thanks for watching. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to Middle School Art Mania.